Hello everyone, welcome to Malaysia Fashion's Beauty Vlog channel. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and come join. One of the things I'm going to do today is the instant up and down um, wig. So it's a half wig and one ponytail wrap, and it's from Sensation. This is a ash blonde, a T4 ash blonde wig, up and down. I don't know if that's too. Can y'all see that? Okay. Yeah. So I will do a demonstration on how I apply it on my head. This is my first time even trying the color ash. It look kind of gray, but I like it. Like you can gray is like white. When you wear gray or something like this, you can put on pink lipstick. Today I didn't put on any makeup. Everything is just natural. I just got on some lipstick, but normally I will have on makeup. And that's another thing that I want to come and do too on this channel with you guys. I'm not an expert, but I do like to apply makeup on me from time to time. So yes, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this ash color. Would you wear this color? Do you even wear this color? And yeah, but think it look amazing on my skin, up against my skin. Now this is super duper easy, y'all. Y'all would think that, I went to the beauty shop, got it done. No, I did not. I did not go to the beauty shop. Yep, Malaysia Fashion's beauty shop. So you can do it all kind of different way. Updos, ponytail wrap, half wig. And every time I buy sensational hair, it can be synthetic and it feels like human. So yes, this hair is like, I love this hair, y'all. I love it. Like I really, really love this. So yes, y'all stay tuned for more amazing things I have coming for this channel. This is my first one. Other than the products that I share, I will be sharing periodically Malaysia Fashion's online store products. So stay tuned for that also. I just have a lot of amazing things for this channel. And yes, y'all, I hope you guys like it. And let's start the show.
Tony, let's get it. This that go and get it with no hesitation. This that never quit. Start that elevation. This that process. This that in the making. This that started from the bottom. This that motivation. This that opportunity. Me in preparation. All I know is win. Feel like Gary Payton. This that process. This that in the making. This that started from the bottom. This that motivation. Win. All I know is win. I learned from my losses, I won't do that shit again. When you hit my crib, you see my energy on 10. So I gotta wipe you down with sage before I let you in. Okay, let's get it then. You know when I pop out, I ain't judging, I just like to rock out. Told my boss that I'ma need OT cause I don't like to clock out. Work so hard that I ain't got no time. Yeah, you know what I'm about. Meditating, working on my mind. Yeah, you know what I'm about. We can't take no break, not today. We got moves to make. They cannot dictate the moves you make, so you choose the way. Meditate before I start my day. So I'm super straight. No excuse when it comes to your goals. You gon' find a way. If you never quit when times get hard, you gon' elevate. It's gon' happen when it's supposed to happen. It ain't never late. Don't you worry about when it's gon' happen. You just preparate. I'm just trying to see my niggas win. I'm trying to motivate. Keep working on yourself like every day. Don't take no days off. If you stay true to everything you want, watch how it pays off. Working on my dreams like I'm afraid of getting laid off. Work on inner peace and watch that pain you feel fade off. Let's get it. Just that go and get it. With no hesitation. Just that never quit. Start that elevation. This that process. This that in the making. This that started from the bottom. This that motivation. This that opportunity. Me in preparation. All I know is win. Feel like Gary Payton. This that process. This that in the making. This that started from the bottom. This that motivation. pressure, don't you break a sweat. You a guy, hope you don't forget. You a guy, nigga, nothing less. If anything, nigga, try your best. Hard times never break you. Rainy days gonna make it. You don't never need a favor. You can manifest cause you're able. How you gonna find peace inside when your happiness is never stable? And you hang around all them bad vibes, watch the time fly like it's cable. And you got the cards all dealt to you, but they face down on the table. And you waiting around for a savior, like there's someone by to save you. Gotta cut them off, don't need to be involved. All of them problems you got is an illusion that you tryna solve. You really looking for more, you look inside, you really got it all. You let them problems control you, you take control, I bet you never fall. Everything you say is true, so watch what you saying, don't say that you never can do it. I made these songs just for you, I speak to your spirit, you know that I'm pushing you through it. I wanna hear you won't quit, and when I respond, I'm saying I already knew it. I wanna hear about your goals, I stay by your side just so I can watch you pursue it. So I got faith in you, and everything you do, and I know that you gon' see it through. Achieving things you never knew. I got faith in you.